Hydroponic system. Thought I'd give y'all a better look. Last time I did one on tomatoes and then showed the hydroponic system. Today, see, he made an A-frame. It's 6 feet tall. The pipes, drilled holes. Don't have a whole lot in it on this side. Okay, air conditioner. I took that evaporator out. See here? Stuck it through the hole. This is a plastic barrel. The evaporator down there. This is where I put my nutrition. The sump pump's in there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a pipe here. Feeds the sump pump through there. Goes down, comes up in here. It's got a filter here on there. Cleans out for the sand from the well. It comes up, comes in here, attaches it there, puts the water manifolds on it. Air tubes. I got them wrapped with foil. This was the last time they started turning green. I changed them last week, a couple weeks ago I guess. See, water goes in all of them. Got little holes up here with a tube. Goes in. Goes all the way down. Each tube has its own tube of water. Each tube has its own black tube going down to that pipe there. See all of them? And then they go back into this pipe and back in there, into the reservoir. Back into the reservoir. Another tomato. I got a lot of tomatoes. I cut off a bunch of suckers this morning. Oh yeah, something happened. I'm not sure what. I don't know if I had too much air, too much water. Maybe I drowned it because it went from the hydroponic system like that to that. And now look, it's not dead, but I'm trying to baby it back. I cut the leaves off that did dry. So, oh, looky there, turning red. Yep, yep. All right. There it is. Now I know somebody else has got a husband out there that could do that same thing. Y'all have a wonderful day.